Wilderness Lodge is the coziest resort at Walt Disney World and honestly one of my favorite deluxe resorts of all time. Today we're going to be sharing a room tour of Wilderness Lodge club level room, so let's take a look at what this room has to offer. One thing that is important to keep in mind about the club level rooms at Wilderness Lodge is that they are not really different than the regular rooms. The big difference is the location and the amenities that come in the room. So if you're watching this video and you're not staying club level, it will still give you a good idea of what the standard rooms look like. Almost all of the club level rooms at Wilderness Lodge are located on the 7th floor, and there are no standard rooms that are located on this floor because everything is behind a locked set of double doors that brings you into the Old Faithful Club. So essentially that floor is locked off to club level guests. Again, the actual room will be very similar, but the location is going to be a little bit different, and you'll see the view from the balcony might be a little different as well. Alright, as you enter the room, you'll see some large closets. These are a really good size. And since it is club level, it comes with robes. If you're not going to be staying club level, you're not going to have these robes, but that's the only difference with the closets. There are also these slippers that you can use while you're staying there. And you can also take them with you because they don't reuse them once they've been opened. There are some extra pillows up here. At the bottom is your luggage rack. And then you'll find on this side some shelving along with a steamer and your safe. More shelves for you to unpack your things. Over in this area is your ice bucket. You'll have a Keurig coffee maker, and there's some cute little Bambi artwork back there that you can probably see. With the coffee maker, you'll have disposable cups, ceramic coffee cups, and K-cups for the coffee maker. Tea, sugar down below. There is a beverage cooler. As always when I do these videos, I do have to point out this is a beverage cooler, so it's not a mini fridge. It's not going to get as cold as a fridge. Directly across from there is where you'll find the bathroom. The vanity and the bathroom are separated. The vanity bathroom area does close off with this door, which is also a huge full-size mirror. Closes it off from the room. And then you have these fun little geode lamps. I think these are so fun. They just add like a little extra glow if you have the lights lower. Just kind of like a fun little addition. So huge mirror here is very well lit with these really nice lights. And then there's also a makeup mirror that lights up. Double sink, which is very nice. And then down below you have some cupboard space. There's a hair dryer. Some shelves for you to put all of your toiletries, and a smaller shelf up top, which is really nice for putting, smaller toiletry items while keeping the counters a little less cluttered. There's soap and lotion and mouthwash. And then these little items right up here, these are things that come with the club level. So there's a vanity kit, a shaving kit, there's 2 dental kits, and a shower cap. So kind of like what I was saying before, these are the amenities that you're not going to get with a standard room. You will get these if you're club level, but if you're staying in a standard room, your room's going to be pretty much the same. You just won't have these little things. Inside the bathroom area, there is a toilet and a shower. This closes off, which is really nice for when people are trying to get ready. And in here, there's actually a tub. And then in the shower, there's a rainfall shower head and a regular shower head that's attachable. It does come with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, as well as soap. Okay, so if we head back out into the main bedroom area, there are 2 queen beds. And all of the decor just feeds into this resort theming, which I love. They did a great job of tying these rooms into the theme of the resort, in my opinion. It's not too over the top, but it does also get the point across. On either side of the bed, there are lights that you can control, and then they also have a reading light. There's a little shelf on the side of the bed, and right below there's some outlets. And you can see over here, again, this is the little geode lamp. And then here's some more club level stuff. These are water bottles that can be filled up at the Old Faithful Club. And you get this little chocolate piece that's a replica of one of the carvings in the lobby at the Mercantile, actually. We'll do a whole video about Old Faithful Club at Wilderness Lodge separately so you can see what's included with it. You'll get a welcome letter that just basically tells you the times that the lounge is open, what they serve, things like that. So then right here you have this nice big TV and your dresser, which is very rustic, again, perfect for the theme. Nice sized drawers here. And then over here by the bed, right in the middle, you'll have some outlets between the two. Another drawer, and then a little cubby if you need to stash a few things. Both of the beds are raised, so you can fit your luggage underneath. There are 2 chairs and 2 little tables. The bottom one does slide out, gives you some more space, which is really nice. You know, you have this fun wood-carved mirror. And then on this side, you have another shelf and more outlets. And then here you can see your reading light. Each side of the bed has a reading light, so both beds, each side has one, so there's a total of 4. So you can control your own lighting, which is nice. Okay, so now we're gonna go check out the balcony. One of the differences between club level rooms and the standard rooms, like I said, is the location. So on the 7th floor, you do have a little bit different of a balcony setup. These are a bit more covered and a bit more private. We've stayed on different floors in this resort, and we've been on level 7 twice. And it's actually really nice like when it rains, because these are covered and they'll keep you pretty dry. The ones below are like not as closed in, if that makes sense. And I think that the railing on these is also a little bit higher, if I'm remembering correctly. So out here you'll find 2 chairs and a little table. Okay, so that is what you can expect in these rooms. If you're staying at Wilderness Lodge but you're not staying club level, again, the room is pretty much the same. You won't have the little extras like the toiletries and the robes, but the room layout's going to be the same. The balcony might be a little bit different, but for the most part, this is what your room will look like. I will do a full club level tour of Old Faithful Club, and I'll have that up next week. And I will also work on a Wilderness Lodge resort tour at some point. Hopefully this video has been helpful to show you what the rooms look like and what you can expect to see if they would be comfortable for your family on your next Walt Disney World vacation. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.